Hi everyone, here's the system I've got in place with my Elgato lighting, so I can turn the lights on. We're using the Wi-Fi, using Alexa or whatever I want to use. If I'm doing any product shoots or whatever behind me, then I can simply do this. They can drag out like so. Like so. I can do my product shoots there, you know, face them to somewhere else. They'll go up and down with the low profile Elgato mic stand against the wall. When I'm done, they fold flat, they're out of the way, and then when I'm all finished I can just turn them off. That's it. I think it's a great system. I love it. So you just unscrew this, holding onto it so it all doesn't fall apart. It comes apart in 3 parts. What we do is we take the side off, you have the ball head, and then you take the other side off. Yeah, it's just almost like a dovetail mic stand. Is exactly the same. But obviously I don't want this big long one. Because the thread on these key lights is very small, that these ball heads are the identical size. And there you go. That's all I've done. And then now you've got the small threaded part on there, a hacksaw. That part off there, and then that leaves you with this right angle here, and then I drilled 3 holes, countersunk them, and then you can fit that to the wall, which slots into the top like that. That then comes round to the side. To adjust this, we just undo and then we rotate it round so it's vertical. You just literally find your screw thread, undo that slightly so this rotates. Find your screw thread and then rotate it on. And all you want to do then is adjust the tension on this so that it basically stays horizontal. Now when you push it back to the wall. If you have any questions or comments, please put them in the section below. If you like our content, please click the subscribe button. If you want to be updated when we post new videos, then click the bell button. We have affiliate links in the description below of all of the hardware that we've got behind me and of the items that we've showcased in this video today. Thanks very much. Take care everybody. Signing off.